Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.